Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson EcoTank L3211, and now I'm gonna show you how to install paper on this printer. To do it, firstly we need to open the output of the paper, and paper will output in from here, and here we have the paper input, and we need to open it too. As you can see, here is the entrance for paper cards, and here we have the blue regulators, and using these blue regulators we need to set the A4, A5 or A6 paper card sizes, or your envelope paper size, and then just insert your paper cards. Fit the size again. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.